Hello everyone, this is Sark Tweaks back with another video, and in this video I will show you guys 5 amazing apps that you must have on your iPhone. Now before we get into the video, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and hit the like button. So the first app for this video is called Battery Widget. Battery Widget is an application that does much more than just provide the battery percentage on your iPhone. So the first option here is the battery, of course, and the battery percentage. Then you have storage and then the storage breakdown. Then the total storage as well. It also have memory of your device. You also have the brightness and the brightness level in the percentage right there. It is also have Wi-Fi speeds up and down as well as cell performance speed up and down. Then finally we have device information, but it is also a widget application. So let's go ahead and take a look at the widgets. Now the first one here is the battery percentage with the device and the battery widget with different style and brightness widget, and it also has storage widget, memory widget, super widget, data widget, network widget. So that's it for the battery widget application. So the next app is called Split Crop. Split Crop allows you to split parts of a screenshot. So let's say you take a screenshot and you want to send it to someone, but you want to hide like a certain part of that screenshot. Then this is the app for you. All you got to do is just load the screenshot, and let's say I want to hide this area right here. So all I got to do is just place this like highlight. Here you can see just a part that you want to split, just like that. You can see how it's done. It's amazing the way it works and how good it is. So you can see it that it has removed the part and merged again the screenshot together. It looks flawless, and of course you can just go ahead and send tap here and just say it to your camera roll, and you can send it to anyone you want. The app for the video is called Invisible app. Invisible icons. This app allows you to add invisible icons on the home screen of your device. So you can create some really nice setups on the home screen of your iPhone. Now the way it works is that you have to go to the home screen and go to the last page here where you don't have any apps, and go to the edit mode and take a screenshot. Once you have done that, go into the app. So once you have loaded that screenshot, you just pick the place where you want to add the empty like space. So let's just try that. One right here, you can just tap here, add to desktop. It will open this on Safari. You go ahead and tap go to the share sheet and tap to add it to the home screen, and just place it right there where it should be. So if I just go ahead and drag it and release it right here. Click done. You can see now we have an empty space right there. So this way you can go ahead and create some really awesome setups on the home screen of your iPhone. Next app for this video is called Check Later. Check Later is an app that allows us to save the links that you will need in the future. So basically we will have a list of links here. You can search your links, and of course you can also rearrange them or filter them from here. Now the cool thing is that you will also have these dots right here that let you know whether you did open that link or not, which is actually very useful. Now when you tap on it, it will open it on Safari. You will have here the widgets that come with this app. It has like 4 different widgets. You can see right here it shows you the links that you didn't open. So if you just tap right here and open that link, you can see that it will be removed from the widget right there, and it says that you all caught up. And this one right here, when you have a link on your clipboard, all you got to do is just tap right there and it takes you right into the app, and we will add that link to the app. So you can see how easy that is. Last app for this video is called Web Capture Offline. Web Capture Offline allows you to take a screenshot which can also be saved as a picture of the entire website. So all you have to do is just enter the website right here and you take a screenshot. And what this does is it will save the complete website for offline reading, and you will have it right here. Tap that little save button right there and you can save it on the app now. When you want to find the websites that you have saved, you go here and go to captured and you will have your websites right here. All of them you have saved, and of course you can go ahead and take a look at them directly from here. Now if you want to save these under the camera roll, you just tap that little share button and you can go ahead and save this as an image on the camera roll of your device. That's it for this video. So all the apps links are mentioned in the description, so go ahead and check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Now we will see you in the next one. Peace.